less than prosody rate equals medium, volume equals loud, pitch equals high, greater than less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than. Alright, buckle up, buttercups, because these stories are so wild. You'll be asking, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than, wait, what? Less than, emphasis greater than. Less than, prosody greater than. Less than prosody rate equals medium, pitch equals high, volume equals loud, greater than. First up, less than break time equals 0.3s, greater than 2 ladies, right? They forget their fancy glasses at a restaurant. Our hero, a neighbor named less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than naam less than, emphasis greater than, gallantly goes to return them. But instead of a thank you, what does he get? Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than they flip him the bird, spew some colorful language, and less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than scurry away. Less than, emphasis greater than our boy Naam, fuming, hurls those specs right into the trash. A little while later, those same divas waltz back, less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than, where are our glasses? Naam, with a mischievous glint, points to the bin, check the trash, ladies. They disappear, then reappear, utterly confused, less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than, oh, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than which trash bin, less than, emphasis greater than, and what does our man Naam do? Less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than he returns the favor. Less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than middle finger up, he bolts, less than, emphasis greater than poetic justice, my friends. Less than, prosody greater than. Less than prosody rate equals medium, pitch equals high, volume equals loud, greater than. Next, we have the legendary tale of less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than Dick, less than, emphasis greater than no, not that kind of Dick, a guy named Dick. He's on a fabulous cruise with his dad when less than break time equals 0.3s, greater than less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than crack, less than, emphasis greater than their ship decides to make out with an iceberg. It's sinking, people. Dick, quick as a flash, drags his dad from their cabin, and less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than splash, less than, emphasis greater than into the icy water they go. But wait, a colossal pillar decides to perform a swan dive right onto his dad. Terrified, Dick scrambles onto a tiny lifeboat, only to find it's a frozen kiddie pool. His feet are submerged in Arctic slush for less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than ours, less than, emphasis greater than when rescued, doctors declared his feet beyond saving. Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than amputation time, buddy. They declared. But Dick, oh no, not our Dick. He refused. Every 2 hours, through agonizing pain, he tried to walk. Less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than, and guess what? Less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than he healed. Less than, emphasis greater than not just healed, he went on to win an Olympic gold medal in tennis. Talk about a comeback. Less than, prosody greater than. Less than prosody rate equals medium, pitch equals high, volume equals loud, greater than. And for our grand finale, a story so unbelievable, you'll need to pinch yourself. A man, just doing his job, working on a less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than moving train less than, emphasis greater than. Suddenly, he tumbles, falling right between the carriages. He dangles there, adrenaline pumping, but his grip slips. Less than break time equals 0.2s, greater than the train less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than runs right over him less than, emphasis greater than, slicing him in half. Less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than now, here's where it gets wild, less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than he was still alive, less than, emphasis greater than not missing a beat, he immediately calls an ambulance. An hour later, after 23 surgeries, he was left with just less than emphasis level equals strong, greater than 1 solitary kidney less than, emphasis greater than. And what does this absolute legend do next? Less than break time equals 0.5s, greater than he gets a job at the railway. Less than break time equals 0.3s, greater than you just can't make this stuff up. Less than, prosody greater than.